family, welcome back to Miss Nanda's channel. Today I am bringing you a Dollar General haul, deals that you can do now, also a 3 off of 15. First of all, I would like to thank my new subscribers and my old subscribers. If you would just go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and hit that notification bell and make sure you put it on all so you'll be notified when I bring you these deals on the low. Yes, I mean the low. All right, y'all. Went to Dollar General to actually see what was out there. So these are the items that I went ahead and picked up because the store that I went to, they look like they must gonna be remodeling or something because it was a lot of people in there. They was moving the little aisles and doing a whole lot of, okay? They was doing a whole lot. So the first thing I picked up was this True Living Flex Tall 13-gallon. It's in the tropical scent trash bags. And y'all, I got to get these trash bags this week because I'm running low. So the trash bags are $4.75. There is a $1 off digital coupon, which is a Dollar General coupon that is attaching. Okay. The next thing is the Pyrex. The Pyrex, this coupon for this one is expiring today. The Pyrex is, let's see, $3.50. There is a $1.50 digital coupon. So you might want to look on if you have any more of numbers that you have accounts. This coupon is expiring, I believe, today. It was for $1.50. Okay. So it's got the 21 count, and I think it's also for the 17 count. The next thing is this scope. This scope right here, this is like in the trial size. It is $1. There is a 50 cents off digital coupon that is attaching to this. Okay, so it just made it 50 cents because it's actually $1. Then the last thing is this stems. You get the mosquitoes. And then also stem, ant, roaches, and flies. Lord. Flies. And I need this for the flies. Whew. The flies is a mess. This spray. So I hope this spray works. If anybody picked this up a long time ago, go let me know in my comments how it was, if it's a good. Okay, so these are $7 a piece. There is a digital coupon. I don't know if it was last week or week before last. This coupon had came for $6.99 if you buy 2 of them. So in the newspaper it says buy one get one free, but it's actually if you got that coupon. Okay, so after everything had totaled up, I put all my stuff in there. She scanned it. I put my number. And my subtotal, y'all, is $10.26. I know that's a little high, but that is fine because everything on here I really need. The scope, I can use that when I go out of town if I ever do. So let me show you my receipt. Hold on. So, hold on. Let me show you my receipt. All right. So, there's the stems, they $7 a piece. Both of it's the multi-insect and then the repellent, the scope, let's see, then there is the trash bags, the Pyrex. There's everything on here. Then there's my subtotal, $10.26. Everybody's taxes is different. And then look at my total savings, $12.99. Now, if you want to go ahead and get this and put something else with it to actually make it up to $25 for Saturday, 5 off of 25, which would be great. But the Pyrex won't be there, okay? The Pyrex will not be there. The coupon, I'm sorry. What I'm speaking about is the coupon for the Pyrex will not be there Saturday. So it actually expires today. But if you want to get the Pyrex, it's $3.50 to throw it in if you're low on the packs, okay? So, and then also there is a 5 off of 25 for Saturday. So this right here is my Dollar General haul, deals that you can do now, 3 off of 15. If you would just subscribe, and thank you for coming by Miss Nanda's channel.